just in the salon and I'm actually just leaving because I have just done my friend's mum's hair this morning. Thank you everyone for such lovely comments on last week's vlog. First vlog back in a very long time. So nice to be back doing this and like chatting with everyone. Just so lovely. I've missed YouTube so much and I love doing it, so it's so nice to be back and chatting with everyone. Lots of you commenting on my teeth, so thank you again. Well, I just can't believe I have straight teeth. Haynes was saying to me how now it looks like I've got so many teeth, which is true. I never thought I'd have straight teeth, and when I look back, my teeth were awful. I knew that they were wonky, but I look back now, obviously compared to this, and I'm like, oh my god, how did I even function? Anyway, I am going to head to Boots because I need to get some eyelashes because tonight is my swanky Claridges dinner. It's with Sally Beauty. I did some work with them over on TikTok and it's their 60th birthday. So they're having a celebration. So it's dinner at Claridges, which is amazing. So I need to go and get some eyelashes. I want to do some TikTok content in Boots also. Then I'll head home, have some lunch. I need to get ready, wash my hair, do my hair, all of that stuff. Eyelashes, what ones do I like? That's why I won't get one half price. I've got these, light and wispy, and feather-like feel. So I don't know both of those. Right, okay, lashes, let's go. My battery's flashing at me, so I don't actually know if I can really take them around with me anymore. Do I want anything else? I need anything else? Well, this is what happens in Boots, isn't it? You just get carried away. Oh my god, hi. I've just had a little splurge. My battery's flashing. I was going to show you in the car because I simply can't wait to show you what it is, but it's for tonight. You probably know, well, you don't know what it is, but you've got an inkling probably as to the category of what it might be. So I'm going to leave you on that cliffhanger, drive home, have some lunch, and then when we get ready, or maybe before, I'll show you what's in the bag. I'm so excited. Oh, I don't want to flash you really quickly because I am going to be running late if not. So hair is done, makeup's done, I just need to get dressed. But I wanted to desperately do this unboxing, I guess we could call it. I mentioned last week about wanting like a going out bag, specifically for tonight, but just in general. I'd mentioned about the Ganni one that I saw last week. I have quite a good department store near where I live called Bentall's, and they have some really good brands, both in their bag area and their clothing floor. They've got Anina Bing, Ganni, Never Fully Dressed, DeMellier, APC. So I went in to have a look at their bags because I knew that they did Ganni and I thought, oh, they might do that croc one that I liked. They did have it, but not in the size I wanted. It was smaller. Looked at a couple of APC, then went over to DeMellier, and I did not expect to see this bag, but I did. It's so nice. It's new season, so I don't even know if I saw this in Selfridges, but this is the bag. It's called the Miami Clutch. And I just think it's so nice. It's exactly the kind of thing I was wanting. I really am quite taken with the Bottega because I love to just shove this under my arm like this. This has got a strap. It's like a soft leather. It says DeMellier there. It's got a gold little buckle. You open it and it's like a tension closure. I don't know how you describe that. And so there's quite a lot of room inside. What it does have that I don't love is this gold strap. So I don't think I would use this. If I did, I'd probably just hold it like that. But I like that you can put that in and it doesn't really take up any room and just have it as a clutch. That's my new bag. Happy birthday to me. I've got to get dressed now. Okay, so this is what we're wearing. Basically what I always wear whenever I go out. I was going to wear all black, my black shirt that I normally wear, but something just said I might just wear this white top. We have Jimmy Choo Bing heels on in the nude blush colour. Ignore this. I mean, how not chic is this? Look how messy everything is around me. Anyway, these Beyond 9 Cupro Yoli trousers, they're called. This top is so old from Weekday, but it's a similar fabric to the trouser. It's like a kind of slinky, it's not silk, but it's that sort of slinky fabric. The DeMellier bag. You fit in this bag, so you'll come with me too. I need to put some jewellery on. Oh, I got my Monica Vinader earring. I might just turn the camera around to show you that. But anyway, yeah, that's my hair. There's my little bag. Go under here. That's the vibe. I'm not sure about this top, but I'm dressed now, so there we go. Can we see the earring? Oh, I've got to put lipstick on. Okay. Right, I'm actually in two minds whether to do Byredo de los Santos or my Jo Malone Oud and Bergamot. I think I'm going to go for Jo Malone. This, I'm not a Jo Malone fan, but this fragrance is amazing. I'm also not a huge Oud fan. I used to be when Tom Ford Black Orchid was a thing. I feel like Oud is just a bit not for me anymore, but this is gorgeous. Like, I can't describe it. It's not oody in the way that you think it would be, but it is in the sense that it's a very, not particularly heady, it's a deep kind of rich scent that is beguiling. Like, people will notice when you wear this, but it's such a unique scent, I feel like. I'm not very good at explaining scents, but go and smell this. It's an amazing autumn winter fragrance, and I feel like no one has this. It's incredible. So that's gonna be my fragrance tonight. Okay, let's go. Just waiting to cross, a bit late. We're here. There's beautiful Claridges. Oh, it's blurry. One by one. Who's that? Right, should we get ready and go? Ready, steady. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, that was so cute. When I drop Elliot off at his childminder, I rarely see like other parents, because I don't know, I think they must, more people must drop off earlier. We drop off at 9. I think a lot of people drop off at like 8:30, but occasionally I might see one parent, and I just did. And I don't really know the other children, because the way, like with a childminder, it's at their house. So if I'm just dropping off Elliot, I don't see the other kids, because the like childcare space is in their garden. Very rarely see the other children, and I don't know like who the other kids are. And obviously they must all know Elliot. So anyway, we were just getting out the car, and there was a mum with her little girl who's older than Elliot. As we were walking up the path, she goes, "Elliot's coming." And you know when you get like a glimpse into like your child's world that you're not a part of, like a childcare setting, I was like, oh my god, she knows who Elliot is, like how cute is that? And like he went like towards her and she gave him a hug, and I was like, this is so sweet. First things first, I'm feeling a little bit, I don't know if I'd go as far to say hungover, but I'm feeling a bit, you know, not great. So I'm doing hair this morning, so I'm gonna go to my salon, but I'm going to order Starbucks cheese and Marmite toasty. I'm going to order it now so that it should hopefully get there for when I'm there. That is one of my favourite like hangover type things, the cheese and Marmite toasty. It's so good. I don't think I'll get a coffee as well. Is Starbucks even on here? You're quite high up actually, aren't you? That's because I've got you on 2 bottles of dry shampoo. Right, let's do some makeup. So yeah, last night, such a stunning event. Claridges is gorgeous. I realised I didn't actually film that much in there, obviously. Kind of a mixed crowd really. There was like some other influencers. I saw Danielle Pisa, if anyone follows her. Atta Jewel, who is like an industry beauty person. I was sat opposite Toff off of Made in Chelsea, if anyone remembers her. I do love a little celeb spot. I was like, oh my god, texted Hayden, was like, I'm sat opposite Toff. We started chatting, and she is so lovely, like such a nice girl. And she said she recognised me. I was like, sorry, little old me. I don't know that she did, but nice of her to say anyway. But I was like, oh, okay, I'm not sure why. I said, the reason I'm here is because of TikTok. I talk about hair on TikTok, and that's why I'm here, so maybe from there. So she was like, yeah, maybe. Just to cut you, I have recently been using this L'Oreal True Match Concealer. I was just influenced to get this, probably from someone that I saw on TikTok, but it's because it's hydrating. And I'd run out of concealer, and I just thought, let's try this one. And I actually really like it. The only thing is, it's not like hugely, it's not like a really strong fragrance, but when I initially put it on, it does kind of make my eyes water. There's something strong in it that I don't know what it is, and it's like every time I do it, I'm like, should I be doing this? Like, is this safe? Oh, hello. But I actually really like it, so I just carry on. Anyway, Toff was really interested in just knowing about me, so she was like, what do you do? Told her about the salon. She said, show me pictures. I was like, oh my god, you're so lovely. So I did. She was very complimentary on how it looked. Then, so stupid, I should have said to her, come and get your hair done, babe. It was kind of like being at dinner with a friend, like how comfortable it was to chat with her. So nice. It's just one of those things where it's a bit like, when would I ever have imagined on a Tuesday evening I'd be sitting having dinner in Claridges talking to Toff of Made in Chelsea? Like, never. I will just mention actually, if anyone's interested, the makeup I choose to wear on a night out is this. I feel like this combo gives me quite a flawless base. And it's the Charlotte, I actually think this is being discontinued. So this is gonna be annoying if I say how much I love this and it's discontinued, but Annoying for me because I'm going to have to find another one, but I really love this foundation for going out particularly. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder one. I have the shade 3 Fair, and then I always use this, the It Cosmetics by Undereye Illuminating Concealer. This is in the shade medium. Now this is really, really thick, so you do not need much, but I will pop a little spot under each eye and blend it out, and it's so thick that it's almost like another foundation basically. But it blends really nicely and I don't find it drying. And because it's so thick, you just get a really flawless like centre of the face. It's arrived. What did we do before Deliveroo? Like, honestly. I mean, we probably planned a bit better, ate a bit better, and didn't spend as much money. Okay, I'm just outside the hairdressers. I just need to do my parking. I'm about 15 minutes early. So I think I'm going to just pop and get a croissant. Also bought my shopping bag because we need to pop to Waitrose after this. Oh, what a beautiful cut. How nice is that? Love the girl that cut my hair. She's so nice, and look at that lovely kind of like blow dry, but not like super polished blow dry. This is exactly how I like to have my hair. Obviously you guys know I'm a hairdresser. I actually quite like to go to a salon and pay to have my hair cut. Quite like to get the salon experience, so sometimes I don't even tell people that I'm a hairdresser. Depends if they ask. This girl actually didn't ask what I did, so it didn't come up. But really love to go to a salon, and the salon that I go to near me, it's called Warden Cross in Surbiton, if anyone's interested. I probably shouldn't publicise it because you should come to me, but anyway, it's just a really nice salon. Like, I love it. Anyway, we're at Sainsbury's now because we need to get a top-up shop because that is just my life. Are there any other mums tell me how often are you top-up shopping through the week? Even though you do a big shop, it's quite ridiculous. Okay, little DC for when I get home. I realised actually I did mislead you and tell you that we were going to Waitrose, so you're probably very disappointed that we didn't. But we don't need to be wasting money in Waitrose, but also because I needed to get nappies. This is not very interesting to anyone actually, but I needed to get specific nappies, and we get our nappies from Sainsbury's. So I needed nursery nappies for Elliot, because if you have children, you may also know that nursery settings don't like pull-ups. They prefer the strap nappies because it's a pain in the arse to change kids in pull-ups because you have to take their shoes and socks and everything off. It's easier to put a strap nappy on them. I don't know if every childcare setting has that preference. Obviously if they're potty training they'll assist with that, but like nurseries don't like pull-ups. So there's a bit of insight for you into nursery etiquette. Just heading out, popped back home, had some lunch, and just heading out again because I'm doing hair this afternoon. But I thought I'll pop into the shops first because I need to get the boys some new pyjamas for the new season, and there's a couple of other bits I wanted to look at. Can I just say I love my hair so much. It's not often I get my hair cut fresh and I don't want to go home and rewash it and style it myself, but this is one of those occasions that I just feel like this is perfect. Christmas has arrived in John Lewis. I can't actually believe it's that time of year. Look at that. I'm not quite ready for this actually. I love Christmas in John Lewis, but I feel like after Halloween. Right, let's get pyjamas. We'll get a space pair for Ellie. Maybe I should just get Gabriel same. They could be matching. There's Ellie's. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, he's gonna love that. I couldn't get a matching pair for Gabe even if I wanted to because I haven't got the size. Well, these are cute, just kind of neutral, non-offensive. Let's get those two then for the boys. That's pyjamas done. Oh, they're cute, aren't they? Little moons. They're quite sweet. I mean, we'll need more over the season, so I might come back for those. Okay, right. Pyjamas done. I mean, this is going to cost me 40 quid, so let's not get too overexcited. morning. I've realised editing this vlog last night that it's very like in salon heavy. This week has been very in salon heavy. I've been working every day. And this tends to happen when you're self-employed. Well, with me. I don't work set days. I generally work Saturday and Sunday, but throughout the week I kind of do what works around the family, what works around my clients. Like, I can be quite flexible in the week because Hainsley and I both work flexibly. That means that I then can sometimes, without realising, end up working every day for like 8, 9, 10 days in a row sometimes. Yeah, this is like my 8th day in a row, I think, and I'm working again tomorrow, which is Monday. But I am then going to be off because it's my birthday next week. So I don't think I'm going to vlog next week because, as some of you may or may not know, it's my birthday, but it's quite a big one. I honestly can't believe I'm so old. I'm going to be 40 on the 2nd of October and I can't quite get my head around it. But anyway, so I've got next week off, so from Tuesday I'm not working until the week after. Yeah, I have basically done it where I've booked someone every day for over a week and not really realised until I'm like in the thick of it. I'm like, oh wow, okay, I'm working quite a lot. But you know, it's great, I'm always grateful. Just making coffee because yesterday I went to Sainsbury's to do like a little salon refreshment top up, and I saw Starbucks had their little seasonal coffee pods. They only had toffee nut flavour. I don't know if that is the only flavour they do that's available to buy, but I thought let's try that, and I wasn't sure, is it going to be too sickly sweet? Is it quite hideous? But actually it's bloody delicious. It's like just like a hint of sweetness. I don't feel like it's too sweet, whereas I feel like buying a toffee nut latte in Starbucks, way too sweet for me. I don't like their flavour coffees, it's far too sweet. But this, in an espresso, really quite pleasant actually, and quite nice for the colder weather. So I've just made one of those, got a croissant to eat. I'm in the salon, I've got quite a long day today. It's 10 till about 8 that I'm doing. So I'll be home a lot later, but yeah, I'm also in the process of editing this vlog together to probably get up tomorrow night now, which is Monday. So yeah, I've got a long day today, but I thought I'd start wrapping this vlog up. I don't really know where we are with it. And if I don't start wrapping it up, it will never see the light of day. So there we go. Okay, so in true Mary style, I didn't wrap the vlog up yesterday. It's now Monday morning and I'm frantically gonna wrap this up now so that I can get this up this evening for you. Otherwise it will never see the light of day. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. It's my birthday this week. I mentioned it in this vlog, but I'm going to mention it again. So I'm going to take this week off. I'm off from the salon, I'm not working, and I'm not going to vlog. If I do, I might vlog a little bit, but then it will be up the week after. But I'm not going to vlog next week and have a vlog up next week. Just so we're all clear. Thank you as always for watching. It's so nice to be back vlogging. You're all just so lovely and so wonderful with your comments. You've all been so like, you're just so nice to me, and I really appreciate it. Hope you have a lovely one, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.